What's that? Your treasure chest?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Hen! Oh, hen! Oh, I can't believe it! Oh, it's a treasure chest.
Treasure chest?
Oh, what is that?
That's a pin.
A pen? Why?
I don't know. It was in the treasure chest. I'm not really sure why.
Oh, what is this?
A bracelet?
I can't believe this is a bracelet.
Why not?
Oh! I can't believe you are special.
I love your treasure chest.
It's beautiful. I love this beautiful bracelet. What is this?
A bracelet?
Can I wear it?
Yep.
I can't believe it.